In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add Rocket League to Steam. This is especially useful if you own Rocket League through the Epic Games launcher, but still want it in your Steam library. Before we do get into this guide, if it does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, if you have Rocket League opened up, go ahead and close out of it. And what you're going to want to do instead is launch Steam. So open up Steam, and then once you have Steam opened up, look in the bottom left corner, and you're going to see an option that says Add Game. Go ahead and select that, and then from here, you're going to want to hit Add a non-Steam game. Now, if Rocket League doesn't automatically appear in here, what you could do is go ahead and either search for it specifically, or what you're going to want to do is hit Browse. And you're going to have to find the Rocket League installation folder. To do that, go ahead and just temporarily, look away from this and open up the Epic Games launcher. And once the Epic Games launcher does load, go to your library, find Rocket League, hit these little three dots right here. And then from here, go ahead and select Manage and go to Installation Folder. By clicking on this open install location right here, this is going to show you the exact path that you need to go to. So it looks like we are in this PC, Windows, Program Files, Epic Games, Rocket League. So from here, go back to this section. We are already in this PC. We're going to go to Windows. From here, go into Program Files, Epic Games, and then of course, Rocket League is going to be right here. But you're specifically going to need to get the exe file. So open this up, go into binaries, and then Win64, and this is where you're going to see that application file selected. Hit open, and then go ahead and select add selected programs. It's going to load for a second, but then of course it's going to go ahead and be on there. And you could search for it specifically. As you can see, I'm going to search for Rocket League right now, and it now pops up. It really is as simple as that. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.